Kalapakan po natin lahat ng pagmumulong. At this moment, it is not only my heart that burns brightly, but yours as well. But first, let us thank God for giving us the strength to keep going. Thank you, God, for every challenge that you gave. It made us the person we are today. Each one of us carries a flame that has guided us to this very day, becoming a symbol of hope and perseverance. This flame has pushed us to overcome challenges and continue striving forward. That's why I urge you to never let it fade. There may be times when it flickers or weakens, but I assure you, it will never truly disappear as long as you hold on to that faith in yourself. More importantly, we must recognize that our flames shine brightest when they come together, uniting us in a shared purpose of a generation of unity, standing as partners in shaping a new Philippines. As we step beyond the hallways of this school, our flame should not only remain within us. It must be shared with those who need its warmth and light. May tuturing lamang nating tagumpay ang ating naging paglalakbay kung sisindihan din natin ang sulog ng mga taong hindi makakita dahil sa mailapit na pag-asa. Katulad na lamang ng mga kababayan natin hindi nabibigyan ng boses. Mga kabataan tulad natin na hinawawalan ng tiwala sa sarili. It is our responsibility to reach out. No one should have to walk through darkness alone. And when we pass on our flame, we are not just spreading light. We are building a future where no one is left behind. And we become more than individuals. We become a force of unity. I learned this valuable lesson within the walls of this school, where I was taught not only to strive for excellence, but also to use my knowledge, my voice, and my heart to bring people together. I never truly imagined that this day would come, the day we would have to leave the place that has been our second home for the past years. There is a deep ache in our hearts as we say goodbye. But more than anything, we are filled with immense gratitude for our alma mater. San Diego Parochial School has shaped us in ways we never thought possible. It was here where we discovered our strengths, faced our weaknesses, and learned lessons that extended far beyond textbooks. Though we must now step into a new chapter, we will carry every memory, every lesson, and every piece of wisdom we have gained. No matter where life takes us, San Diego Parochial School will always be a part of us. And this is not the end. One day, we will return not as students, but as successful individuals, shaped and molded by this institution. To my fellow graduates, always remember that the first step towards success is to believe in yourself. No matter how many obstacles come your way, as long as you hold on to that faith in yourself, nothing will be impossible. Ang apoy na sinimulan, katulad ng ating mga pangarap, ay patuloy na magliliwanag, mag-aalam, at magbibigay liwanag sa iba. Kaya huwag hakayaang mamatay ang apoy. Continue to dream, continue to persevere, and continue to keep the fire alive. Thank you and congratulations.